Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video. I got them on and popping. I'm doing pretty good. I think yesterday I did 2 or 3 videos, and then today I'm hoping to knock out another 2 or 3 videos. Anyway, yes. So today I am going to be doing a hair, not necessarily like a review because without really wearing the hair and stuff, you can't really do a review. So this is going to be an unboxing. So I got this hair. Okay. The company is called Pizazz, P-A-Z or P-I-Z-A-Z-Z. Pizazz, yeah. It's called Pizazz. This is how it comes. Now this is a company off of Amazon. I know what y'all think, like, girl, for real, you order hair off of Amazon? Yes, I did. Okay, for the price. I've never ordered hair off of Amazon before, but there's first time for everything. And the price was so good that I really couldn't resist. And I read the reviews. Like, I'm not the type of person that just goes online and just because the price is bomb, I just buy it. No, I look at the reviews, I see what people have to say, so on and so forth. So I went through all the reviews and everything, and all the reviews were good. And I don't know if y'all do this, but you should not just only read the reviews that's on Amazon, but then I also went on YouTube and typed in Pizazz hair reviews, and some reviews came up, and I was watching the videos for the reviews and was like looking at the hair and stuff as well. So I don't know if y'all do that, but if you don't, then you should. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. So what I purchased was the Brazilian straight hair. I got it in 16, 18, and 20-inch bundles, and then I got a 14-inch frontal. So we are gonna open this baby up and see what's going on. Okay, so ooh, what else did they send? Oh, that's the hair. All right, so I like that bag. I'm gonna keep that. That's cute. So on the front, they did send just a little pamphlet, and on the front it says 100% human hair. If you feel satisfied, give us a 5-star feedback review. And on the inside, it just shows the different hair types that they have. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what they show on the inside. And then on the other side, it shows you how to wash and care. So it just gives you some instructions, and then it just also tells you what kind of hair types they have. And then on the back, it just shows you some different, they just have some women on there that I guess those are women that have purchased hair from Pizazz. So anyway, there's that. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the 16-inch bundle. 16-inch bundle. So this is what the packaging looks like. It shows the size up here. Everything is labeled very, very nicely. And at the bottom, it does say straight hair. So, yes. So this is the 16-inch. Oh, it's got these held together by rubber bands, girl. All right. So this is supposed to be 16 inches. Let me see something, because I got my little measuring tape here, girl. Yes, I do. So we're going to measure it just to make sure. I'm going to start at the top of the weft and just go down. So if you guys can see this. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But anyway, it's 16. I know my finger's in the way, but 16 inches. Okay, so that's good. The hair is soft. It doesn't have a smell to it. Like some companies, their hair is very like they chemically process it and it smells horrible. This is not like that. The ends don't look like they've been cut or anything. Like You know how some of them like chop it off, it looks like. So, and then the